Hi, it's Miss from My Life Mates. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I want to do an unboxing for the Stationery Selection. This is the October box. And yes, let's jump right in. This is the cover page, and you can pause it if you'd like to see the items that are included in October's box. And yes, I'm just going to kind of pick from the top and go from there. The first thing you see is a Penco clip and in silver, and I often see these on social media, on Instagram, and a lot of people use these to keep their notebooks open, and I just wanted to include one of these clips in there because there is a notebook in the October box. The next thing is this Deco Rush from Plus, and I've ordered a small one for you to try out. You can easily use it to decorate your pages, as well as use them as like bullets. And this is a postcard. I know it's not Sakura season right now, but I wanted to include one. This is actually one that I created a while back, and you can see my initial me there on the corner. Next thing in the box is the sticker set from Midori, and I included the one that had the stationery and art supplies. And I love these stickers because they're nice and thin, and they're made out of the similar washi tape material, so they don't cause too much bulk. And they're really cute, and they're perfect size. I will post several blog posts down below from a guest design team member, Mia, at My Decorated Mess, as well as Kenry. She's posted a blog post as well, and you can see how they use these stickers and of course the items in October's box. Here is a Zebra Sarasa, but this pen is a little bit special because you can use, or it is advertised for use with a highlighter, and it's not supposed to smudge if you use a highlighter on top of this pen. Moving right along, we have this washi tape, and I actually first saw this washi tape when I went to, I don't remember, it was a meetup somewhere, and Ayoko-san, who runs Cute Things from Japan, the online shop, and she actually has a physical shop now in Tokyo, but there's a bit of a break here in the video because I'm going to get my traveler's notebook, but I wanted to show you because this is where I first found out about this really pretty washi tape, and I thought I definitely wanted to include it. So you can see here there's an example of the washi tape right at the on the bottom border right there. It is so pretty, and I just felt like it's not too bright, but at the same time it felt really like autumn for me. Sorry, the random my little helper is giving me some stationery bits, and that's why you see you might see her hand here and there throughout the video. But anyways, so that's the washi tape that's included in this October box. And next is the letter writing set of the forest, and I thought it would be nice for this season, and I always love to include letter sets in the boxes. They're really cute for just, you can of course write letters, but they're also really cute for your journaling as well. And this is a beautiful, beautiful paper set from Awagami Factory, and I will be doing I guess like a small little journal with me session at the end of this video, and I will kind of go into more explanation, but like I will actually open up the packaging and you'll see the various different papers in that package. And then we have the A5 Midori calendar, 2019 calendar, and like I mentioned earlier, there are several blog posts I will post down below, and you can see how the other design team members are using the 2019 calendar. I chose the slim size just so that, I know some people are still thinking about the calendar system for 2019, and some have already set their minds up. And I just thought having the slim version, you can use it for, you know, a lot of, it's really versatile, so I wanted to include the 2019 version. Now I'm going to open up the Awagami Factory paper set, and I'm going to start journaling in my traveler's notebook. And hopefully the lighting doesn't get too dark. But back to the Awagami Factory paper set. The one that I have here is in the blue or the navy blue, but you can see the various, oh, they're so pretty, like the pretty papers that are included. And they're based in Japan, of course, and they're all handmade, and I will post the link down below to their website. So not everybody will be receiving this color. The color does vary. I think there's like red and yellow, blue, green, and I believe the last color was purple, but all of the papers are so pretty. And if you flip onto the back side, it just kind of gives you suggestions on how you can use these papers. I also want to read something for you from their website. It's awagami.com, and I just thought it was interesting. It's about washi and the environment. Since antiquity, Japanese washi has been made from renewable plant resources that grow to maturity in 1 to 2 years. When compared to wood-based papers that take dozens of years to mature and require many chemicals, washi is created with significantly less harm to our environment in a clean and eco-friendly manner. In the traditional spirit of Japan, Awagami maintains a caring and nurturing focus on the environment. I thought that was really, really lovely, and I really, really appreciate that. So you just notice my daughter on the corner there trying to draw. Fortunately, or unfortunately for her, the little red stopper on the tip of the pen is still on there, so nothing, the ink isn't really coming out. But anyway, she's just there having fun with me. So because I want to keep the packaging of the Awagami Factory, I just decided to cut it out, and it's on a nice clear plastic so I can easily tip that in. Before I forget to mention, please don't forget to check out the unboxing videos from our other guest design team member. Her name is April from Moonlight Cabin. She has a YouTube channel, and she also did last month as well, and she made this beautiful drawing of the Delphonics pouch. So I will post her YouTube channel down below, as well as Skylar Hand. Many of you follow her, and I guess request her to do the unboxing videos for the Stationery Selection. So I will, of course, if you haven't checked that out, please feel free to do so. I will leave her YouTube channel down below as well. And yeah, so now I'm just kind of tearing up the cover page or the information page, and I want to place this cover page behind the vellum. So you can see that the red isn't too like in your face, it's not too bright, and so I decided to put that on behind the vellum so it's not too vibrant. So now I'm looking through the beautiful papers and just trying to see what I want to use in my journal. I decide on several different pieces, I think, and then I end up kind of tearing bits and pieces out and just kind of collaging them onto the page. I'm not too sure if I will be talking through this entire video, as it's pretty self-explanatory. Yeah, I miss doing these kind of play with me or journal with me sessions using these stationery selection items. So anyways, I think I will leave it at that. For the future box, or the next box, which will be for December, it will be released on November the 1st, and it will most likely be in the morning in Japan. So for reference, it will be the evening of October 31st Eastern Standard Time. But I will definitely post the time that I will be releasing it. I will post it up on social media, on Instagram, as well as the Facebook group. I find it difficult to set an exact time, because I have both of my kids at home, and it's very difficult if something, they need me or something. I can't really just leave them right there. So I'm going to try my best, maybe around 10 o'clock, maybe around 10:30. I will release it in the morning on November the 1st Japan time. And yeah, that's when I will open up some subscriptions, as well as some one-off monthly boxes for December. And I hope that's it. If you have any questions, the best way to contact me always is through email. The email address is hello@thestationaryselection.com. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, as they get first dibs on waiting lists, and I'm going to try my best to do more giveaways there as well. Sometimes there's the odd giveaways on the Facebook group page as well. So don't forget to follow us there, and I think I will leave it at that. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.